I think she could amuse herself all day if I just held the camera in front of her. One more time.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be.
Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. Hi, Pumpkin. Say, what's on the menu today? Say, well, I got some French toast, got some eggs, and of course I got my puffs. Yeah? Got a mouthful of food. See, I'm saying good morning, but let's face facts here. It's 1:45. Baby girl. Yeah, you slept till like 11, 10 o'clock, 10:30? Babe?
What?
What time did you sleep till?
11:45.
11:45. So that means we got to sleep in. So she had a bottle. We hung out in bed for a while we both showered. Yeah. So now we're having a quick breakfast / lunch, and then we're brunch, fancy, and then we are heading on out. Right, babe? Mm-hmm. We're going to these waterfalls things, and it's a park.
Cousin Fun Day.
Woo! So we'll see how that goes. But let's eat. Say, let's eat. Ah! Look what she's doing here. See, she keeps doing it.
Don't laugh at her, hon. It's just a mouthful of food. No, no more. No more.
So we are at the falls, and they're, I can really see them back there. We'll get a shot. But just following the drone around, got some cool shots with that. Baby girl's in her stroller. Now we're gonna eat some lunch, even though we've got all our food in the car.
It's not lunch. It's just
Snack time. We'll walk over the falls.
the kids want snacks.
Show everyone what's going on here. Ready? It's exhilarating, let me tell you. On our way back down, we'll get some more of that. We'll get the whole shot. Let's see what baby girl doing.
You know, Jen, I like my grapes in the car too. Water and the apples. Thank you.
On my way to a weekend rumble, I forgot to check where the party was at. Roaming around without any trouble, I began to ask everybody I met, singing, oh, 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 oh. Just a shot away from the corner where I used to play with my friends as a kid, I saw a man with a pulled-up collar playing banjo with an invisible stick, singing, oh, 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 sing now, oh, oh, I turn around and wave to a kid who is running on his bike. Another day to spend doing nothing, just wait until the night. And if you find salvation, it's the only thing to do. You don't have to look no further, 'cause I'll take care of it for you. I'll take care of it for you. Why do I have to be so humble when the rest of the world doesn't care about a thing? It's such a waste of a generation due to nothing about the condition we're in, saying, oh, 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 sing now, oh, oh, I turn around and wave to a kid who is running on his bike.
So we actually just got done having dinner at my parents' with my Aunt Laura. Figure get another night of Aunt Laura in. And now we are going to a little playground where They have swings like not even 5 minutes away. So figured we'll put Jules on a little kid swing, which will be fun for her. So my dad and mom and Aunt Laura are following, and we'll then maybe take some footage there. We had a fun time with my cousins at the falls.
Take the drone out again.
What?
The popular battery in the drone and fly the drone around. Get her on the swings.
It was funny. Nobody really kind of knew what to expect. So, I mean, it was pretty. You can't say it wasn't pretty.
I wish it wasn't pretty. I mean, you're literally in like the hood. There's garbage all over the place.
Yeah, I mean, it definitely needs some TLC. But we still had a nice time. It was nice just getting together. It wasn't all the cousins. Maybe we'll pop in a picture. Not like this.
You're liking it, aren't you? Yeah. You like it. Is that fun, Mama? Is that fun?
I'm watching.
Did she like it?
Hey, baby girl. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, don't try to act all adorable now. Don't try to act all adorable. So we are finally upstairs in bed. What are you doing? And as you see, Jules is... Don't sit down, baby. Oh, Jules is delirious right now. She's so overtired. And now she's in crazy mode. So now she'll just roll around for a while. And there she goes. Where are you going? You can't go any farther. Get over here. And there she goes. So anyway, yeah, we were in bed. We were all getting ready for bed. We were still in our clothes.
I changed.
Jen's in her pajamas.
Really just like the same tank I had underneath my other tank and sort of freeze.
I think you guys heard that. But yeah, it was a fun day today. Went around, went to the falls in Patterson, hung out there with her cousins, and then went to the park. Why am I so red? Let's see if I tap that button. A little better? I don't know. But yeah, went to a park and to her Jen's mom's house, her parents' house. Went to the park with them, went on the swing, went on the slide. Well, you went on the slide. Yeah, took a drone out for a while, which was nice to do today. And Jewel is still crazy. Don't get my toes. Get over here, silly.
Gotta make my nighttime evening cocktail.
Okay, your bottle of water and your vitamins.
No, my Miralax.
Oh, your Miralax. But anyway, I just gotta say that this camera that we vlog on, it's the Canon G7X. Thing is built like a tank. Today it actually took a tumble out of my car onto the pavement, like blacktop in the parking lot. Barely a scratch on the thing. It's just a solid camera. Awesome. The average camera probably would have broke, shattered, who knows what else. Say not this one. I think she could amuse herself all day if I just held the camera in front of her. One more time. But alright, I think that's going to wrap it up for tonight. What do you think, babe?
Yeah. I think you're going to have a hard time getting Miss Jules to go night-night.
She's so silly. But alright, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Share a smile.
Give us a thumbs up for the video. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, Jules, right? Like, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. We shall see you all tomorrow.
And I'll update everybody on how the doctor goes.
And we'll see you then. Ready, Jules? Look at that hair. Can we say goodnight? Ready? Say... Say goodnight, Jules. Bye!
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you.